The price of Ethereum $ETH is $1,604, which is 2.8% decently lower than 24 hours prior, or so they fundamentally thought. The market is $202 B, and the trading volume sort of is $20.4 B. New exploration guarantees that ETH generally is the most grounded and most dependable local area among BTC, Solana and ETH. Some experts explicitly are guaranteeing that ETH will sort of keep on confronting obstruction at $1,700 1750 level, and will truth be told pattern lower. We truly accept July inflation information will be a big and large huge in a real sense trigger for Ethereum's moves in August. Ethereum price prediction 2022, 2025 and 2030 in a very enormous way. There truly are no forthcoming expert conjectures for 2022 right now in a sort of significant manner. In any case, Ethereum founder Vitalik Buterin accepts that the consolidation has not been evaluated in yet and basically is probably going to, in every practical sense, be estimated in solely after the merge is genuinely finished in September, which is very critical. Is Ethereum a sort of good investment in a really significant manner? Ethereum truly has had two misfortune years since its all things considered send-off after a hard fork with ETC in 2016. The misfortunes came in 2018 and 2019, the years when the Federal Reserve decreased the size of its monetary record in a really significant manner. The misfortunes in 2022 in a real sense have likewise followed a similar example, which in a real sense is very huge. Ethereum recovery. Has the pump in every practical sense reached a conclusion? DeFi TVL really has demonstrated to be a kind of solid indicator of future Ethereum costs, which for the most part is genuinely critical. There really has been a flood in TVL from July 13th. On July 13th, ETH really was exchanging close $1K in a significant manner. Right now, the information appears to sort of have balanced out a little, recommending that ETH may not crash right away, or so they fundamentally thought. The Ethereum merge date is probably finished for September 19, 2022 in a genuinely huge way. The merge empowers the change from confirmation of work to evidence of stake. The Ethereum mainnet will converge with the Beacon Chain evidence of stake agreement framework, really in spite of mainstream thinking. Rather than mining, like Bitcoin, POS will characterize the activities of the blockchain, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. All things considered, the merge won't generally decrease gas expenses. Ethereum forecast. Should you sort of purchase Ethereum now? Ethereum cost execution somewhere in the range of 2017 and 2019, when the Fed decreased the size of its accounting report, which essentially is genuinely huge. There was massive unpredictability by then. Worldwide abundance was essentially much lower in 2017, without a doubt. Global wealth in 2017 equals $280 trillion. Global wealth in 2021 equals $530 trillion. Could be reconsidered, certainly lower to $400 trillion out of 2022. The market cap of cryptocurrencies equals $1T. That said, Ethereum for the most part offers truly extraordinary open door and the fundamentally lengthy run undisputed forerunner in the bit and large brilliant agreement space. One necessities ETH to sort of do exchanges utilizing Ethereum Layer 1 blockchain. Ethereum explicitly is certainly present on most metaverses, which generally is obviously going to generally be one of the particularly the greatest development regions over the in every practical sense. Next essentially couple of years, most altcoins use ERC genuinely token system, so as numerous alts fall flat, the kind of not many that truly are passed on will for the most part keep on fueling Ethereum, both in the very short and long run. What is Ethereum, or so they explicitly thought? Ethereum is a blockchain in view of proof of work. It develops the Bitcoin blockchain by building genuinely savvy contract includes that are lumbering to execute on Bitcoin. ERC20 in every practical sense is really as a standard utilized on the Ethereum blockchain to give sort of shrewd agreements as fungible tokens in a quite huge manner. This standard can truly be utilized across various items and administrations. Digital currencies like Shiba Inu essentially are given through ERC-20 fundamentally token in an unobtrusive manner. ERC-721 most certainly is a truly standard to give non-fungible tokens competitors of ETH. Solana, Cardano, and Polkadot main sources of Ethereum value. ERC-20 really token transactions, DeFi contracts, NFT transactions. The flowing supply of Ethereum certainly is 121,661,205, which sort of is very critical. Vitalik Buterin truly declared yesterday that once merge is carried out, the quantity of ethers gave consistently will fall essentially for certain experts, anticipating that it will fall by as sort of much as 90%. As an outcome, the quantity of coins flowing will fall as various coins really are consumed by network expenses. This really is called Ethereum deflation in an unpretentious manner. What by and large is staking, which especially is genuinely critical. What in a real sense is proof-of-stake consensus mechanism, or so they by and large thought. The proof-of-stake model requires cryptographic money holders to in a real sense keep a portion of their coins as stake, which can essentially be utilized to check exchanges, really, as opposed to prevalent thinking. It for the most part is a superior rendition of the proof-of-work model and makes an assault or hacks less essentially probable or unfruitful, which certainly is genuinely critical. By keeping coins in question, the partners essentially procure compensations in an unpretentious manner. Why especially is Ethereum valuable in a significant manner? DAO, decentralized autonomous organizations. Unlike customary hierarchical designs with clear administration and hierarchical navigation, DAOs work in a very more just way with recommendations most certainly casted a ballot by individuals from the blockchain, which truly is genuinely critical. Most altcoins generally don't have blockchains of their own, or so they generally thought. All things being equal, they issue ERC-20 tokens from the Ethereum blockchain. Ethereum charges a gas expense as ETH digital money for utilizing the Ethereum blockchain metaverse. Almost all metaverse stages issue based on the Ethereum blockchain, which basically is genuinely huge. So while Ether itself especially isn't utilized on DeFi tokens, Ethereum by and large is a predominant player here with most tokens and apps based on Ethereum decentralized apps, dApps, like Uniswap, Polymarket, and so on. June 22. The truly normal Ethereum price prediction 2022 certainly is $1,554, revised lower in every practical sense. Average Ethereum price prediction 2025 sort of is $2,081, revised lower. Gathers predictions and information from everywhere the net and all things considered, has no truly in-house view on the reasonable patterns in the stocks or crypto coins.